Hello friends, today I am showing you the different controllers ECBOS 6, ECBOS 7, this is ECBOS 8. This is from the Distech Control. These are actually the compact embedded controllers which is used for the server platform, and this is actually used for the connecting different controllers, multiple device subsystems. So these are the versions. Earlier ECBOS 6 we are using. The protocol which are using here is the BACnet. You can see here the two ports are RS485. This is LAN 1 secondary and this is the primary. This is the power port. Also you can add the external cards from here. This is ECBOS 6. Afterwards ECBOS 7 come. This is actually if you see, the battery backup is also here. So whenever the power get off, it can operate with this battery. Here also the two ports given for the BACnet communication. You can see from here. This is also battery operated. If you can see, the 12-volt battery. AC from AC also can be operate. There is two LAN, and also if you find the different, you can add further the cards. So this was the ECBOS 6. Then comes ECBOS 7. Currently in this 2024 we are using ECBOS 8. If you find here, there is two RS485A, B, and this is the external card which we are added here. It can be removed from ACC. Also primary secondary communication and WLAN communication is also there. So with adding this card we can make 1, 2, 3, 4 port for the communication. So each port, like if you talk about this port, we can make add the controllers, maximum 50 controllers we can add with this, depending upon the inputs points also. So we have to take the different license for this input or output points. Like if we take the license for 10, then we can add in each device, each controller 10 input outputs. That means if this port is capable of adding 50 devices, so each device controller, if we add 50 device, means 50 multiplied by 10, that is 500 points we can add with this port. Likewise it will increase according to our license. So this is Distech Control, powered by Niagara. This controller also comes with different protocols like Modbus, BACnet, LANWork. We can take according to our requirement. See, in 2024 we are using this ECBOS 8. Earlier it was ECBOS 7, ECBOS 6. We can use this also according to our requirement. If we have requirement for the single port, we can use this, no issue. We can this also according to our requirement. So these are all about the hardware I show you. I will also show you the controllers, different controllers available with the Distech controls like ACB 400, 600, different VAVs, PTUs. Okay, so thank you for watching.